Hello everyone. Welcome back to Money Talk with Ben. I'm Benjamin Bookkeeper, your financial guide. Today, we're diving into the world of cryptocurrencies, and I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of buying and selling them. Whether you're new to crypto or looking to refine your strategy, this video is for you. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you can stay up to date on all things related to money. Let's get started. Let's begin by understanding what cryptocurrencies are. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for security and operate on decentralized networks called blockchains. Popular cryptocurrencies include Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ripple, among others, each with its own unique features and purposes. The first step in buying and selling cryptocurrencies is choosing a reliable exchange platform. Look for platforms with a user-friendly interface, strong security measures, and a variety of supported cryptocurrencies. Popular exchanges include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken, but be sure to research and choose one that meets your needs. Once you've selected an exchange, create an account by providing necessary information such as your email address, phone number, and identification documents for verification. Follow the platform's instructions to verify your identity and set up additional security features like two-factor authentication. After account verification, fund your account using fiat currency like dollar or euro or by transferring cryptocurrencies from another wallet. Choose a funding method that's convenient and cost-effective for you, considering factors like transaction fees and processing times. Once your account is funded, navigate to the exchange's trading interface and select the cryptocurrency you want to buy. Enter the amount you wish to purchase and review the transaction details before confirming your buy order. Selling cryptocurrencies follows a similar process. Navigate to the trading interface, select the cryptocurrency you want to sell, and enter the amount. Review the transaction details and confirm your sell order, then choose whether to withdraw funds to your bank account or keep them on the exchange. Remember to prioritize security when buying and selling cryptocurrencies. Enable two-factor authentication, use strong, unique passwords, and consider storing your cryptocurrencies in a hardware wallet for added security. Be cautious of phishing scams and only use trusted exchanges and wallets. And there you have it. A step-by-step tutorial on buying and selling cryptocurrencies. By understanding the basics, choosing a reputable exchange, securing your account, and following best practices, you can navigate the crypto market with confidence. If you want to learn about financial planning for early retirement, click the link above to check out my previous video. And stay tuned for my next video on navigating student loans. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights on Money Talk with Ben. Until next time, and happy investing!